Hello all, welcome to part 6 of Cucumber BDD training series. In this session, I am going to explain about BDD and Three Amigos. So let's get started. What are these Three Amigos? It's a terminology guys, okay, that we generally use while working with BDD and all. So what is this terminology is all I'm going to explain in this session. Three Amigos means business, developers, and testers case. Okay, three amigos in BDD are nothing but business, developers, and testers. Okay, without these three amigos, okay, this BDD approach is not possible. You see, BDD is all about behavior driven development. Okay, so the main focus is on the behavior. So what need to be developed is more important than how it is going to be developed. Okay, so what need to be developed is all about behavior, right? So the behavior has to be communicated properly between these three amigos. Then only this BDD approach, that is development approach or process, will be successful. That's why we call this business, developers, and testers as the three amigos in BDD. Okay, business, developers, and testers have to communicate well. Okay, coming to business, it can be PO or BA, product owner or business analyst. Developers, you already know, they develop the application code by writing the application code, and testers have to test the application. And the communication between all these three amigos need to be good in BDD for the BDD to be successful and for the right product to be delivered into the market. So guys, hope you understood the terminology. What is three amigos? Three amigos are nothing but business, developers, and testers. Coming to business, it's PO and BA. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.